Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll share to change your Google password. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, on your Android mobile device, open up any web browser. For this demonstration, I'm going to use Google Chrome. And now, inside Google Chrome, make sure you're logged on to the right account where you'd like your password to be changed. And once you're signed in on that Google account, click onto your profile, and then from here I'm going to change it to TutorialWiz. So I'm going to log on to the right account like so. And now to change this password, you want to click on manage your Google account, and now once you're on this page, you want to click on the personal info. And then you want to scroll down and look for a section where it says password. So as you can see, password here, last changed July 2023. So go ahead and click into that. And now you need to be verified first. So enter in your current password, which I'll go and do now. All right, the password has been added. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next. That didn't work, so I'm going to have to add in my password. All right, now I'm logged in. Now you want to add in your new password. So go ahead and click on type in your new password, then confirm new password. And once that is done, click on change password, and that's how you change your Google password, guys. So thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.